Hello, kids! Welcome back to our reading practice. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Yeah!
Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Let's repeat. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Wonderful reading. Now listen carefully and read with me slowly. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Great job, kids! You're doing great! For more fun reading practice, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's keep reading together. Re, ra, ru, ri, ro. Very nice. Ri, ru, ra, ro, re. Excellent reading.
Yeah!
Let's try another rotation. Ro, ru, re, ra, ri. Awesome, kids! Keep it up. Ru, ro, ri, re, ra. You're doing fantastic.
Yeah!
Now, let's read again. Fast. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Re, ra, ru, ri, ro. Ri, ru, ra, ro, re. Ro, ru, re, ra, ri. Ru, ro, ri, re, ra. Good job! Now, let's go back to the start, kids. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Again. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Amazing reading, kids. Thank you for practicing with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next episode.